What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have an eventful evening planned out. Hopefully this WRX here will be up and running by the end of the evening, along with a few other little things. So let's go ahead and get it started. So I got my electric fan in for the red E36. Got the relay, all the goodies right here. Don't think we'll be able to install that today. That'll probably be another video. First off, the STI definitely needs a cleaning wipe down. I'm gonna go ahead and try out this WRX waterless wash. It was about $6 and some change at Walmart. I've used this stuff for the Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. It's actually really nice. It's about 10 bucks. I want to see how it compares to the WRX stuff. Let's go ahead and clean the STI. Got it looking pretty decent. I definitely would probably go with the Meguiar's over the WRX stuff. The WRX stuff doesn't leave nearly as heavy of a wax, and it also streaks a lot easier. Plus the Meguiar stuff smells absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the wheels and then get on to other stuff. She's all clean. All right, time for WRX. So we've been working on this thing for the last about a week or so, getting the motor and all that stuff. We tried to start it last week. That didn't happen.
Fun part right here.
Tried to start it last night. That didn't work out. We went ahead and just threw the motor back in. It actually didn't take quite as long as we thought. Started plugging some stuff back in. Got the transmission all bolted back up, the cross member. The gas tank is on its way back in. The goal is to have this thing up and running by the end of the day. Tried to start it late last night with starter fluid, still didn't work out. We're about to start this motor up, boys and girls. First time. See, okay, I don't want to get too intense about it because what if it doesn't start? Then everybody's disappointed. But, oh, stop! Try it.
Nothing.
Yeah, so tonight we're gonna go ahead and put the gas tank in it. I'll go ahead and film it with starter fluid, show you what it looks like, see what happens. Hopefully we can get that gas tank in fairly quickly so we can get this thing running. That's what happened last night. It started for a second and then it wouldn't start. So it does start. Let's go put the gas tank in. I'm pumped. It's gonna take us all night, but it's all right. I'm really not wanting to climb under the car of this camera and show you guys this simple gas tank install. It's taking us 2 hours. So I'm finishing up putting these fuel lines in. We had little issues putting the gas tank up, but we're just gonna connect all these lines how it is, put some gas in it, turn the key, see what happens. Woo! And there she goes. Okay, that was, all right, give her the sauce.
Battery's dying.
You're not getting your fuel pump isn't working.
So we got it running tonight. Unfortunately, the fuel injector, little O-ring down there, is absolutely garbage. So we're gonna have to order one of those or somehow get one out of Riley's. But other than that, it seems like it ran pretty good on starter fluid. And it has fuel pressure now, but it was just leaking out there pretty badly. So we were grinding away on this car all night long. It wasn't all night long. Got it running pretty good. Unfortunately, the fuel injector will have to be ordered. So this car will be coming together here within the next week or 2 or 3 or 4. So theme reveal will be soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to stay up to date on all the builds. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, guys.